Hi, my name's Paul. I've recently purchased a Cool Deck patio from Stratco. Looking at getting one of the Stratco patios, I've walked into Stratco. They've shown me their range and what options were available. Based on the type and style I wanted, they were able to provide me a written quote that covered all the parts I needed to be able to put it together. They were able to customise the design, slightly bigger posts, changing the gutter profiling to a different profile, and could show you what it looked like with Cool Deck roofing or an alternative corrugated roofing, and so it was good to get a visual. Yeah, I was keen on the Cool Deck. I like the clean lines underneath. I like the option to be able to install the lighting inside, the roofing. The gutter profiling I really liked. It was different to the usual square profiling of a lot of the pergolas, so we had the option to do both of those, and I just felt it suited the area. We needed some shade, we needed somewhere to hang out. We've covered a nice area so that, yeah, when we're all out here as a family and that, we've got a place to shelter out of the sun when we're not in the pool. Yeah, it's great for hosting parties. It's great for a place for people to hang out and just enjoy each other's company. The Stratco staff were really helpful. They were able to answer any questions I had along the way. The patio's working out great. We love hanging out in there. Really enjoying the Cool Deck patio.